So this is the IS300 2003 2JZ GE engine that I picked up for $800 a few weeks ago. It comes with a automatic transmission and the ECU over here, and also include the intercooler. So that's pretty good there, along with all the intercoolers piping over here. Sorry for the mess. Yeah, lots of mess. So I've been trying to start labeling what all the wires are, but the diagram I got is wrong, or not for this engine. Well, it's for this engine, but it's for a different model. But so might take a while to get all those wiring, and probably need to power wash it too, because as you can see, it's very dirty. I got some of the parts from eBay already. It's on the way, like the timing belt, and some other gasket like the main cell and the rear cell. Might upgrade this to like the max speed rod and maybe some kind of piston. I'm not sure yet. I haven't ordered them yet. So for $800, it's a pretty good deal. Originally, it was advertised for $1,300 something, and then when I contact the seller say $1,000, and when I get there, the seller was late for an hour and a half, so he gave me a better deal for like about $1,000. No, for $800. So pretty good deal, because this one comes with a big turbo on it. I believe this person set this one to 10 psi already before they crashed the car. At least that's what the seller say the previous owner did. Let's see. Yeah, the turbo is pretty big, so for the transmission is the J2 version over here. It's an automatic. So yeah, gotta power wash everything. As you can see, it's extremely dirty. And does anybody have a updated diagram where show you what all those connectors are? I'm planning to switch out this intake manifold, remove that, and add a different one to make it cleaner, along with the 1000cc injector and the fuel rail. But still didn't order those yet. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to replace this oil cooler to the aftermarket one, where I could hook it up to a external oil cooler, and then that way it should make the engine a little bit cooler. By the way, anybody know what the heck this thing is? That thing is like a large capacitor, but I have no idea what it is for. I don't know. So overall, for the price, it's pretty worth it. So as you can see, J2JZ, yeah. I checked the engine oil level. It's like empty now. The seller told me he removed all the he drained all the liquid. So before I could start this, I guess I had to add all the engine oil back first, even to test it, because there's no engine oil there. I checked the dipstick, there's none at all. I'm not sure about the transmission, if there's any oil in there or not. We'll find out later on. Anyway, sorry for the mess, but yeah, thanks.